Okay, welcome to online education. This is T. Narahari, lecturer in mathematics, GDC Mabad. Today I am going to explain basis of null A and call A, problems, unique representation theorem, definition and problems. These are the topics today you see. Now, basis for a null A, the set of vectors which are solutions of the vector equation Ax is equal to 0 is the spanning set since the result set is linearly independent. It is the basis for null A. See this. You see null A. You know null A means is Ax is equal to 0. All solutions of this. You write all solutions, you write what about x1, x2, x3, these are also. Ax is equal to 0 is a linear combination is there. Span. Null A is span A by v1, v2, v3 or x1, x2, x3. Span. You know basis definition of basis represent two conditions. One is linear independent, second one is span. Linear independent span no doubt. Null A, all elements also be spanned by Ax is equal to 0. X1 you write Ax, x2 you write Ax, x3 you write this. All elements, v1, v2, v3, all vectors is spanned by this. Null A is span. Null A is a subspace, no doubt at all. So that also. Subspace means spanned by elements. It is second condition is completed on the definition. Now it is a index set. What is that given set? Given set only linear independent, going to show linear independent. This is a basis of null A. That is a basis of null A. This is the case. Basis of null A. Now see one of the problem. Now basis of call A. What is the basis of call A? If a matrix is call A, please observe, see, in our definition in previous class, call A is a spanned by the column elements of A. Spanned by the column elements of A. Is also be same. Any set going to show is a basis of call A under two conditions. Second condition is completed. That is span. Now call A is also be subspace of a vector space. Subspace means it is a spanned, a set of index set or set of some elements or v1, v2, v3. Spanned is condition, second condition is completed. First condition is linear independent. That is also be linear independent. That is a basis of call A. This is how to see call A. Please observe, see next. Given a matrix A, here Ax is equal to 0. Here BC is equal to Bx is equal to 0. What AB? A is a econal form of B. Econal form of B. B is called econal form of A. This same as have exactly same solutions. This solution, this solution. Now here when you find the call A, basis of call A, given matrix is converted into the echelon form. Then from that you find the basis of call A. You see one of the problem on call A and base A and null A. Please observe, see problem. See this is find the basis of, see problem. Find the basis of Null A, listen C. Null A. What here given A? C. 1, 0, minus 3, 2, 0, 1, minus 5, 4, 3, minus 2, 1, minus 2. These are very important problems. Under Kakati University, giving 6 or 12 marks. This is the problem C. Now, null A is the set of all solutions, is the set of all solutions of Ax is equal to 0. This is a subspace of R power n. You write C, our 1, 0, minus 3, 2. You follow the steps 0, 1, minus 5, 4, 3, minus 2, 1, minus 2. Right, is basis of R power n. R power n means it is a column 1, 2, 3, 4. You write variables x, y, z, w. You write 0. 0, how many zeros you write here? 3 zeros. 0, 0, 0. This is. Now A0 you write. This augment matrix. Whatever see. You write 1, 0, minus 3, 2, 0 and 0, 1, minus 5, 4, 0 and 3, minus 2, 1, minus 2, 0. This augment matrix of these two. You apply the rows and columns. 0, 0. It is converted into the equivalent form. Please observe. It is converted equivalent form. What to write? See, first already 0 is there. Now this is 0. How to see this R3? R3 minus 3 R1. R3 minus, this is multiplied 3. 3 R1. Is multiplied here 3. 3 1 ja 3 minus 3, 0. That our case. First row is not changed. 1, 0, minus 3, 2, 0. 0, 1, minus 5, 4, 0. Third row you can change. 0, 3 into 0, minus 0. This is R3, minus 2, 0. That is, you write minus 2. This is 10. What about R3? R3 is 1, minus 9, plus 9. That is 10 here. 1 plus 9, 10. Here R3 minus 3, R1. This is C. R3 is minus 2, 6. 3 2 is 6. 3 2 is 6. 2 minus 2, minus 6. You write what about here? Plus 6. Here minus 3. Here also be minus. It is also be plus. That is right answer is 4. Minus 2 plus 6. Here 0. This is. Now next last you see here is 0. It is 0. You see this. I love the case. What last topic, last term, last iteration? R3 plus 2R2. Now see 1, 0, minus 3, 2, 0, 0, 1, minus 5, 4, 0. Here 0, 2 minus 2, 0, 10 minus 10, 0. Here 12, 0. This is case. You rearrange terms. Writing the system of equation y. X term, y term, z term, w term. X term, y term, z term, w term. You write, rearrange this. What do you write? See here. You rearrange this term. See. X minus 3z. Here 0 is there. Y term 0. Z plus 2w is equal to 0. Now next. Y minus 5z. Right? Y minus 5z here. Y minus 5z plus 4w is equal to 0. Now last 12w is equal to 0. From equation 1 you write x is equal to 3z minus 2w. Second equation write y is equal to 5z plus 4w. Now see here. Here x, y, z, w you write. X is right answer 3z minus 2w. Y is 5z plus 4w. And Z you write Z. W write W. That is. You write here Z is common. 3, 5, Z1. There is no Z. 0. Now next. Plus W is common. Here minus 2. 4. Here 0. Here 1. These two elements. Here 3, 5. Therefore, what to write here? Therefore, 3, 5, 1, 0. 3, 5, 1, 0. 3, 5, 1, 0. Next, minus 2, 4, 0, 1. Minus 2, 4, 0, 1. See, this is the space of, it is linearly independent. Therefore, these two, it is V1, you write V2. V1, V2, yes, you write, is a basis of for null A. This is the condition. Same, always, what to write, see, here given matrix, you write Ax is equal to 0 form, and you write augment matrix, and you apply the rows and columns, you convert into the equivalent form. Equivalent form means 1, 1, here not 1 come here, but above not 0, is 0. It is equivalent form. Last form, see, here 1, will not come 1. Equivalent form 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Any numbers, no doubt, please observe. This is, right, main diagonal one. This is equivalent form. It is one of the equivalent form. You convert into this. Here, this is the form. It is. Next to see is a very important problems. Again, see another problem also. A is given minus 2, 4, minus 2, minus 4, 2, minus 6, minus 3, 1, minus 3, 8, 2, minus 3. You find the basis of null A. E matrix ki null A kanukovali. Same operation, no doubt at all. What about how to see here? See, first to write the Ax is equal to 0 form. See, null A is a set of, null A is the set of, null A is the set of all solutions of, what about see, Ax is equal to 0. A, this is minus 2, 4, minus 2, minus 4, 2, minus 6, minus 3, 1, minus 3, 8, 2, minus 3. How many variables are there? R power n. 1, 2, 3, 4. First column, second column, third column, fourth column. You write 4 variables. That is x1, x2, x3, x4. Is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also be taken, see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. X, Y, Z, W are taken. Here same x, y, z, w or x1, x2, x3, x4. Right. Is equal to 0, 0, 0. Now write here. This is 0. You change this immediately. Here minus 2 is there. Your row and column. You change this immediately. What about C? Argument matrix. You write first. Whatever ARUG. Argument matrix. You write 2, minus 6, minus 3, 1, 0. It is minus 2, 4, minus 2, minus 4, 0. Minus 3, 8, 2, minus 3, 0. First to C. What about C? 0, 0. These two zeros. This term 0, this term 0. Here what about C here? R2 is R1 plus R2. These two. Adding 0 అయిపోతుంది. Now R3, 3R1 plus 2R3. 3R1 plus 2R3. Now, iteration start in the matrix. What is iteration? See this. Here R1 plus R2. First matrix C. First matrix is to write this 2, first no change, 2 minus 6, 2 minus 6 minus 3 1 0, 2 minus 2 0. This is the form of this 0 minus 2 0 minus 2 minus 5 minus 5 minus 3 0. Again according to this, here 3r1, 3 is multiplied in above, 2 is multiplied below, 2, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6 0. Now 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, you write 2 minus 2 minus 5 minus 3 0 minus 2 minus 5, here 0, here minus 2 minus 5 minus 3 0, same you get here. Or last you write, see, r3 row, r2 minus r3, here 2 minus 6 minus 3 1 0, 0 minus 2 minus 5 minus 3 0, 0 minus 0 minus 2 plus 2 0 0 0. This is, now you take this 0, that you write, see, r1, it is r1, you change this in minus 6 place, r1 you write, what write, see, r2 minus 1 by 3 r1. In last step you write minus 2 by 3, here minus 2 by 3, 0 minus 4 minus 10 by 3, last 0, 0 minus 2, 0 minus 5 minus 3, 0 0, all zeros. Last step, r1 divided by minus 3 by 2, r2 is divided by minus 2, you write 1 0 1 0, last C minus 6 minus 5 0, next C 0 1 5 by 2, 0 1 5 by 2, 5 by 2 3 by 2 0, loss 0 0 0 0. Now apply the x y z. Here x1 minus 6 x2 x3 term, x3 minus 5 x4 is equal to 0. Here x2 plus 5 by 2 x3 plus 3 by 2 x4 is equal to 0. This 0, all zeros. Now write this x1 is equal to 6x3 plus 5x4. Here x2 is equal to minus 5 by 2 x3 minus 3 by 2 x4. You write this same x1, x2, x3, x4 is equal to, x1 is equal to answer 6x3 and plus 5x4, and x2 is equal to 5 by 2 x3, 5 by 2 x3 and minus 3 by 2 x3 and x4, here x3 same, x4 same. x3 is common here, 6 minus 5 by 2 1 0 plus x4 is common, 5 minus 3 by 2 x3 0, here 1. These two is the basis terms. And what about the s, you write 6 minus 5 by 2 1 0 and second one 5 minus 3 by 2 0 1. It is linear independent. Therefore s is the basis for null A given you. This is of the problem C. Now next to see another problem of Collier. This is the problem of this. See, here v1 is equal to given 1 0 minus 3 2, v2 is equal to given 0 1 2 minus 3, v3 is equal to minus 3 minus 4 1 minus 3 1 6, v4 is equal to 1 minus 3 minus 8 7, V5 is equal to 2, 1 minus 6, 9. This is the case. Now augment matrix, right? See. Okay. Matrix A is given vectors as its columns. It is called A because column C, you write C, A is equal to all C, all. This is right column, this is right column, this is column, this is column, this column in the matrix. Write what? 1, 0, minus 3, 2. Here 0, 1, 2, minus 3, minus 3, minus 4, 1, 6. Here 1, minus 3, minus 8, 7, 2, 1, minus 6, 9. This is matrix. Now row reducing A to find pivot columns. It is also be changed this. What about C? Echelon form. Again you see. What is echelon form? You write C rows and columns application similarly same. First is 0 is there. This 0, this 0. It 2 zeros. 2 zeros means we selected two operations. That is R3. This is R3. R1, R2, R1, R2, R3, R4. Now R3 you change this. R4 you change to 0. These two zeros. First you see. R3 ఇది ఎలా 0 అవుతుంది? -3తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 3. ఇది 1 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ -3 ఉంది. దీన్ని 3తో మల్టిప్లై చేసి మనం సబ్స్ట్రాక్షన్ చేస్తే అయిపోతుంది. దట్ యు రైట్ సి R3 మైనస్ ప్లస్ 3R1 ఇగో మైనస్ ప్లస్ ఈ రెండు కూడితే నెక్స్ట్ R4 ఇది 0 కావాలని దీన్ని 2తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. అప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది? R4 మైనస్ చేయాలి. మైనస్ 2R1. This under these two operations, these two zeros. See 1, 0, minus 3, 1, 2. No change this. 0, 1, minus 4, minus 3, 1. You change this. Whatever, sir. 0, 0, 0. First term 1 minus 2. And this 0, 0, 0, minus 4, 8. This is case. Now next you see. What about C? Echelon form. You want to also be echelon form. Here 1 is there. These two zeros. Now change these three columns are echelon in the form of echelon. See here R4 is equal to C last. R4 plus 4R3. R4 plus 4R3. In case of this, what you write? See, this is in case this. Here echelon form is what about C? It is V1, U1. It is B like that according to our definition. B is U1, that is U2, U3 not U4. These three is the linear independent. Linear independent. What is that? Our basis of B is equal to, right? Basis of B is equal to U1, U2, U3, U4. Basis of 3 is equal to, what is that? C. You write in our case U1 1, 0, minus 3, 2. Next 0, 1, 2, minus 3. And U4 this 1, minus 3, minus 8, 7. This is the basis of call A. This is the problems. Call A and null A. These two very important problems. Under 6 marks or 12 marks given 2-3 times. Null A also be there and call A. How to find the basis of null A and call A. Next you see unique representation theorem. What is how to see unique representation theorem? You see this, it is very simple. You know here basis is there. VF is a vector space or VR is a vector space. B is a basis. What about B1, B2 and Bn is a vector basis for a vector space. Basis means V is have some or more elements. Each and every element you write, you can express linear combination of B1, B2, Bn. And also other element also. All elements in V. Therefore, this is a basis. It is uniqueness. You write here, suppose X is also element of V. X is a vector in V. You write one of the same X. Unique is there. You write X is equal to C1 B1 plus C2 B2 plus and so plus Cn Bn. What is unique? C1 C2 Cn is exist here. There exist a scalars C1 C2 Cn. This is unique for X. ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ని కనుక్కుంటే C1 C2లో రకంగా వచ్చాయి, ఇంకోసారి కనుక్కుంటే C2 C3లో రకంగా వచ్చాయి అనేది ఉండదు. దిస్ ఈజ్ యూనిక్. ఆల్వేస్ యూ ఫైండ్ లీనియర్ కాంబినేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ దేర్ ఎగ్జిస్టెన్సీ స్కేలార్స్ ఆర్ సేమ్. ఇది ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయ్యేటువంటి స్కేలార్స్ సేమ్ ఉంటాయి. మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా ఏ టైం అయినా కనుక్కోండి ఎక్స్కి. ఒక దగ్గర ఒక ఆన్సర్ రాదు. నౌ సీ దట్ ఈజ్ నాట్, దట్ ఈజ్ యూనిక్నెస్. ప్లీజ్ యూ సీ దట్ ఈజ్ how to prove this. See, if possible, suppose that you write two ways of our linear combination of x. Two ways రాయాలంటే ఒకసారి C1 B1 ప్లస్ C2 B2 ప్లస్ n ప్లస్ Cn Bn ఒకసారి వచ్చిందని మనం అనుకుందాం. ఇంకోసారికి D1 V1 D2 V2 ప్లస్ n ప్లస్ Dn Vn వచ్చిందని మనం అనుకుంటాం. దట్ ఈస్ సపోజ్ దట్. ఇఫ్ పాసిబుల్ సపోజ్ దట్. ఒకసారి రాస్తే ఓ రకంగా, ఒకసారి రాస్తారు. టు ఆల్సో బి డిఫర్. దెర్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ ఏ డిఫరెంట్ లీనియర్ కాంబినేషన్ ఫర్ ఎక్స్ అండ్ ఎక్స్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ ఆఫ్ C1 C2 Cn scalars with respect of D1 D2 scalars. You know these two same. In our mathematical, these two vector equations also be same. C1 B1 plus D1 V1. This is equal to this. C1 B1 plus C2 B2 plus n also plus Cn Bn is equal to D1 V1 plus D2 V2 plus n also plus Dn Vn. You write C1, this is equal to this. Here B1 or not V2 Bn. Here B1 is same. C1 minus D1 into B1. C2 minus D2 B2 plus n also plus Cn minus Dn Bn is equal to 0. Right. Here when it is 0, B1, B2, B3 all vectors in our basis, not 0 this. Here C1 minus D1 is equal to 0, C2 minus D2 is equal to 0, up to Cn minus Dn is equal to 0. C1 minus D1, C1 is equal to D1, C2 is equal to D2, Cn is equal to Dn. This is above our supposition is there exist two different linear combinations of x. ఒకటి C1తో రాస్తాం, ఒకటి D1తో రాస్తాం, Cలతో రాస్తాం, Dలతో. అవి ఏమైపోయినాయి చివరికి సేమ్ అయిపోయాయి. therefore no different there exist unique linear combination. వేరు లేవు, ఒకటే యూనిక్ కాంబినేషన్ ఉంటుంది అనేది చెప్పడం. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద కేస్. Now this is now definition. What let B is a let B is equal to B1 B2 Bn is a basis for V. Let X is in V if X is equal to C1 B1 C2 B2 up to Cn Bn, then the weights C1 C2 Cm are called the coordinates X relative to. See here, you write X is equal to one of the linear combination C1 V1 plus C2 V2 plus n also plus Cn Vn. ఇలా మనకి ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అసలు B1 రాసుకోండి, నో డౌట్ ఎట్ ఆల్. B1 B2 Bn vectors, C1 C2 V1 V2 Vn vectors, no doubt at all. See here, now write C. What about C? Here coordinates of X, this is C1 C2 Cn are called C1 C2 Cn are called what? These scalars already know. These scalars are called coordinate of X. It is denoted by, you write X, B, beta. With respect of beta means here basis of B. With respect of beta, X coordinates. You write this C1, C2, it is column and Cn. It is coordinates. This type. Definition of this. Coordinates. What is coordinates? It is important definition. Coordinates means, you no doubt at all. It is very simple. You write the linear combination of X. There exists scalar C1, C2 up to Cn. Here C1, C2, Cn scalars are called coordinates of X. It is denoted by is bracket X, B. These coordinates X with respect of beta, C1, C2, Cn. You write the column matrix. This is called, what about see, coordinates of x. This is the definition. You see, according to this definition, you see b is equal to 1 minus 4 3, 5 2 minus 2, 4 minus 7 0, and x also be given, coordinates also be given. X is equal to 3 0, coordinate also be given 3 0 minus 1, 3 0 minus, ఇవే coordinates. What you are, find x కనుక్కోవాలి. What is x is equal to, you know, linear combination of c1 v1 plus c2 v2 plus c3 v3. Again, it is v1, it is v2, it is v3, like that. It is c1, it is c2, it is c3. You apply that. X bar is equal to c1. C1 is 3. v1 is equal to 1 minus 4 3 plus v2 is 0. Here 5 2 minus 2 plus minus 1 into 4 minus 7 0. This is 3 minus 12, 3 3s are 9. It is multiplication plus 0 0 0. Here 0 to multiply all 0 minus 4 minus 7 0. Add this 3 plus 0 minus 4 minus 12 plus 0 plus 7 9 plus 0 plus 0. This answer 3 is minus 1. Okay, this is 12 7 minus 5 9. This is the coordinate. Is x, this x is a linear combination of these vectors. C G 3 0 minus 1 is coordinate of x. Similarly, same, you follow the second problem. Today class is next, go to the again important definitions and problems, theorems, see. Thank you once again, my dear students. Thank you.